This short video on instructions for the collection and return of blood samples to the Cancer Biobank includes the correct order of blood collection based on the tube types, mixing instructions for the blood tubes, how to avoid hemolysis of the samples, what to write on the accompanying specimen form, and how to send the bloods back to the Cancer Biobank. The order of collection. The first tube to be collected is the 5 milliliter gold cap tube for serum. This should be followed by the 10 milliliter purple cap tube for plasma. The 3 milliliter purple cap tube for DNA should be collected third, and the final tube to be collected is the PAXgene RNA tube. Please ensure each tube is filled to the appropriate fill line. This is often marked with a black rectangle. If the patient is unable to donate the entire set of tubes, stop collection where collection to the fill line is not possible. How to properly mix the tubes. After filling the tubes, invert each 10 times. Once the tubes have been mixed and you've checked that they're labeled, please put them back inside the grip seal pouch of the plastic biohazard bag. The signed paperwork goes inside the back pocket of the bag. How to avoid hemolysis. When drawing blood, release the tourniquet after inserting the needle. The patient's fist should be balled but not pumped. The tourniquet should not remain on the patient for more than 1 minute. Filling in the specimen form. Please fill in all the information on the top of the specimen form, including participant name, patient ID or board number, date of birth, and sex. The referral reason, the name of the consultant, the participant's diagnosis, and the date of the blood draw should also be filled in. Please also fill in the time that you drew the bloods, as this is important for the processing of the bloods. Place a tick mark beside the clinical time point of blood collection, as well as beside the collected bloods. Any other information that you can provide on the form is helpful to future researchers. Finally, please sign and date the form. Here is an example of a filled-in specimen form. The bloods drawn have tick marks beside them, and the time they were obtained is written on the form. Finally, the form has been signed and dated by the clinical team member who drew the bloods. The bloods can be returned to the biobank one of two ways. To hand deliver the bloods, the biobank is found on the second floor of Lamb Institute, beside the door that leads to the offices. To send the bloods by chute, dial 3039. Please send the bloods within 2 hours of collection. Thank you for your part in making the Cancer Biobank possible.